What's going on, everybody? Thank you for tuning back into my channel. In today's video, I'm actually going to be showing you guys the top 3 things that I think every new truck owner should definitely go out and buy. I'm going to preface this video by saying that originally this was supposed to be an install and really in-depth look at the products before I installed them to my truck, but life happens and I ended up installing them and using all 3 of them. So I'm going to give you guys actually a quick review. 2 of them I bought off of americantrucks.com and another one was Amazon, just because American Trucks didn't have them in stock. So we're going to go ahead and go through them. No particular order, so don't think that I'm saying which one is better. So starting at the back of the truck, like I said, is actually going to be the tonneau cover. This is a Tonneau Pro tonneau cover, tri-fold. My good buddy Javier is over there filming. From now on, I also wanted to shout him out, even though he said not to yet. He's a really good buddy of mine and he wanted to get into this whole YouTube thing, so I'm letting him just kind of take a whack at the cinematics. So any of the cinematics you see today are filmed by him with a really awesome camera. So everyone go give a thumbs up on the video and comment how dope that he's filming this, because it looks awesome. So anyway, back to the tonneau cover. So this, like I said, is a tri-fold cover. It is so far proven to be amazing. Like I said, I looked it up on americantrucks.com. I found it for a pretty affordable price, and honestly, it's probably the best accessory I've put on the truck so far. It was super easy for me and my dad to install. It's super light, so if I ever have to take it off, it's super quick and easy to take off the 2 latches and the 2 screw knobs in the front and be able to remove it to use my bed for actual full bed truck stuff. But if I need to do anything even just slight, I can easily fold it up and use it that way. And it's just been really good. We actually just washed the truck prior to this video and the bed was completely dry. I was actually really blown away. The weather seals worked really great and I think it was a really awesome buy. So I highly suggest the Tonneau Pro tonneau cover. Go out, get one for your truck today. All right, and so out here at the front of the truck, my number 2 for what every truck owner should definitely get is low beam LED headlights. So on Amazon, their highest rated low beam LED light for this truck is the H11 light from, I think it's Sea Light. I also bought a set of the 194 bulbs for my license plate lights on the truck too. And although, as you can see, my headlight housings are pretty nasty right now, we are gonna upgrade to some different set of lights eventually later on. But I can definitely tell you, from my trip last week to Havasu, driving across the 40 around midnight, cruising down the highway, that haze in the headlight does nothing against those LED headlights. So they're super awesome. And then the other thing is that the install on these trucks is super easy. Again, I unfortunately did not get to film my install, so I do apologize, but it's super easy. All you gotta do is open the hood on the driver's side of the truck. Is taking the cap off of the headlight, remove it, install your bulb, and replace the cap. On the passenger side of the truck, you are gonna have to remove the air filter box and your air filter to gain access to the headlight, but that's really not too bad. All it really needs is either a Phillips screwdriver or a couple of 10mm sockets and wrenches. And then number 3 on the list of things that every truck owner, I think, even SUV owner, should definitely get, because this is probably, I would say this is better than the tonneau cover and the headlights, is the WeatherTech floor mats. So I've had these in here the longest, actually, out of all 3 things that we put on the truck that I didn't film and I've just been using, just because, you know, life happens. And, you know, I got them in the mail and I was just so excited. I put them in the truck and just been, yeah, I'll film it. And then here we are, we're filming it about a month later with these. So these have already gone through, I think, 3 beach trips and 2 river trips. And honestly, you know, when you look up the price for one of these full-size Chevys or your Dodge or your Ford or whatever you have, you know, yeah, the price tag may stunt you at first and kind of make you not want to buy it. But let me tell you, they are worth every penny. Having them in here with, you know, hopping in the truck with water shoes after hooking up the boat, or sand on my sandals at the beach. My dad actually spilled Dr. Pepper on the rear one, and the rear one I love for the truck because it goes all the way across, and I love that. It's so awesome. It keeps everything in the mat instead of getting in your carpet and in your floor, and it's definitely worth every penny. So I would say, however, there is only one con to those floor mats, and the one con I have about them is, for whatever reason, on the passenger side of my truck, they really like to move. I wish that wasn't, but they still do operate perfect. They keep all the sand, all the debris, everything that's on your shoes when you get in your vehicle, they do keep it in there. So yeah, I wish that was fixed, but that's something that I can easily fix. And if you guys really want to know how I fix it, I can throw that update in the next video. But that's really my only con I have. So with that being said, guys, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and drop any comments below for questions or anything you'd like to see me review, or if I am going to install it on the truck. I'll try to keep a lot of reviews and updates as we go along. Like I said, including maybe might do a review of the super awesome tires I got. They're pretty awesome. So thanks for watching. Tune in for the next video, and I'll see you guys later.